Hello beautiful people! So I will have a birthday paraffle on September 30 of 2020. So we will do a live streaming on that day, and for you to know the whole criteria of that paraffle and to have entry and join the raffle on September 30, make sure you will watch this whole video. Alright? Hello beautiful people! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Debbee, and today I will be making a very important announcement. This is for my upcoming raffle draw on September 30, 2020 for my birthday month. So today, I'm gonna be announcing that I will no longer be doing a live streaming as an entry for my raffle draw on September 20. Sorry for the background noise, everyone. So, what I'm gonna do is I will be uploading videos starting on September, and I will have it on premiere. And everyone na mag-attend sa premiere ko on that video is magkakaroon kayo ng entry for my raffle. So make sure that naka-on ang bell nyo subscribe sa channel ko. Make sure na naka-on yung bell nyo so that you will be notified when I have premieres on my channel. So starting on September, every video that I uploaded starting from September up until September third week of September, all you need to do is to be present on my premiere. And after watching my premiere for that uploaded video, all you have to do is to comment down below for that video that is relevant, or mag-comment lang po kayo that is in relation to the video na napanood nyo. And you will get a raffle entry. Okay, so nakalimutan ko. So you will get a raffle entry, and kung present kayo sa premiere, that's another entry. And if you comment down below or comment on that video, that will be another entry. Another thing is, kung i-share nyo din ang video na yon sa mga friends and families nyo, then they will comment down on that video with your hashtag of your name so that I know na you have shared it to them. So that will be another entry. So it will also be an unlimited entry for the paraffle. So I will no longer be doing live streaming, but all you need to do is to watch my premiere of the uploaded video. Ang mga video lang na considered sa pa-entry is those videos na i-upload ko for the month of September. So I am so very excited kung sino ang mananalo. We will have, how much was that? I think that was 2,000 pesos all in all prizes. There will be 2,000 pesos for the prizes that you can win during my raffle. So again, the prizes will be 1,000 for the grand prize, and 2 winners of 500 pesos, and 5 winners of 100 pesos. So I'm very excited, everyone, kung sino ang mananalo on September 30. And on September 30, we will be live for the paraffle. So thank you so much, everyone, for your support. That means a lot to me. And alam ko na nandyan kayo sumusuporta. Thank you so much for my friends on YT and everyone who are organic supporter for my channel. And I hope na you will stay forever. And I'm so happy na naging part ako sa life nyo, and you have been part of my life on my journey to YT. And thank you so much, everyone, for all your support, and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to just comment on the uploaded video starting on September, and be present on my premiere starting on September until the 3rd week of September, so that you will have entry for my raffle on September 30. So that's it, mga ka-Debbee, mga ka-Debbee. So that's it, and thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit like, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, mag-subscribe ka na, kaibigan, and turn the notification bell on so that you will be notified on my next upload. So, goodbye everyone! See you on my next video!